Ted art. Yes, it's time for some more. Let's have a look. Finger knitting. Let's go a bit closer. You can see that this is finger knitted, little finger knitted spiders as a little fun decoration for Halloween. We love finger knitting and we're always looking for new projects to make out of finger knitted, like sausages. And here is our Halloween craft. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. To make our little spiders, you will need some yarn, some pipe cleaners, some googly eyes. Now, if you don't have pipe cleaners, I will show you another method at the end of the video of how to attach some legs, but the pipe cleaners are just very quick and easy. Now, my yarn, lovely yarn that it is a little bit thin. So I've taken 2 balls and I'm going to put it double, because if it's double, I can basically get a thicker version of my finger knitting. So to start off, you put your yarn between your thumb and your index finger. You wrap it around the back. In fact, I think I might take my ring off whilst we're finger knitting because it's probably easier. You wrap it round the back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. So that's the first row. You need 2. So again, you bring it round, front, back, front, back, front. Okay, so you've got 2 on each finger, and this one is just loose at the end. Yeah. Now you go to the bottom, pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, and pick 4. Bring them all down. Take this strand, just give it a little tug to tighten it, and then you take your loose bit. And again, you take it, it was already pointing back, so keep that direction and push it through, over, behind, round, and then all the way around again. Okay, now if you need to rewind the video, take another look, and it's basically repeating that step and giving that a little tug. So I'll do it one more time, but like I said, you can always rewind and take another look. So you've got it at the back, round, behind, round, and again. Now I'm going to do that 8 times in total. I've done 3. For the spider, you will need about 8, but it's a question of preference. Again, I'm just going to give it a little tug, and then I'm going to keep going, and then I'll show you the next bit. So you've got 8 rows. Now we need to cast off. Take the end one, pop it over. Take the bottom over. Again, pop it. Take the end one and put it over the last one. Now I've got a loop. Cut your thread and push the loop. Push the thread through the last loop. Sometimes it doesn't quite tie up, but it should work. So that's your basic little bit of finger knitting. Now to make your spider, I'm just going to tie it up and make a little knot. So it's like a little wreath. There's your wreath. Now we need some legs. So I've got some pipe cleaners. As mentioned, there's 2 different ways of doing it. So I'm going to show you the pipe cleaners just in a sec, but here's my other spider, and on this one I just used yarn and I plaited it with contrasting colors, and with this one I plaited it just in black. So depending on what you've got, if you don't have pipe cleaners, you can plait it and make these little legs, and you loop your yarn through and then you plait it and tie it off at the end. So loop the yarn through, plait it and tie it off at the end, and that's a really cost-effective way of making these little spiders without the pipe cleaners. If you do have pipe cleaners and you've got them spare, the pipe cleaners are really fun and they're really quick and easy. So I'm going to fold my pipe cleaner in half and then in half again, just so I've got 4 equal lengths. As mentioned, I like the pipe cleaners because it's a much faster way of making the spider legs. Using the folding technique, the plaiting techniques just takes a little while, but it's also fun. Hook it round, fold it, and just give it a little twist. You've got one leg. If you want, you can even bend it into a little foot. and then you go 4 down on each side. So you hook it in, twist it, bend it, and give it a little twist. And then again, if you want, you can give it a little foot at the end. And then the last step is to glue on some googly eyes. So I've got my googly eyes, just some PVA glue, and I'm going to glue it in place. And then let dry. And there you go. That's how quick and easy it is to make some super cute finger knitted spiders. Now I have to say, I quite like the plaited ones as well. They're really, really fun. They just have a different feel to them, and I think these make really cute finger knitted ornaments for Halloween. So, as per usual, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.